4 days అవుతుంది యాక్చువల్‌గా.
Okay.
లాస్ట్ 4 క్లాసెస్ నుంచి కావాలి.
So local file operation, this is the local file operation. So file is equal to f open, and we are writing for the e:kiran and the .txt and a plus, means we are saving for the where e folder is the folder name is a kiran. So you need to check before executing if it is a kiran will be there, not there, we need to check. Kiran is not there, kiran 1 will be there. Okay, folder. So now I'm doing for the printf, which file I need to print file. This is the percentage name, what we are giving the percentage s, percentage d means if it is a integer characters, right, in that value, so we need to capture that value, means we need to give for the percentages. Okay, and slash and nothing but it is the next line of the I need to capture for the every time section value will be there. Every time will be, we are not given slash n, every time will become the only single line. But I need to every iteration it will come as a single line. So at that time we can give for the slash n. LR eval string means we need to read the value, then we need to give for the section. What is the our, like we need to capture this is a section value in our local file. That is why we are giving as a, to read this value point of we are giving for this value, and after that we need to close the file. File is already open, right? We need to close the file, then only it will be complete for this entire file operation. Okay, this is the file operation. After that we need to do for the departure and arrive, means 2 drop downs will be there. So we need to generate the random value. So at that time we need to write for this condition, and we need to see for the how to write the function. See, if strcmp lr eval string, and we need writing for the here something is miswrite, lr save string. So we need to write for the lr save string, strng string, save string, and after that what is the function of the random function? lr underscore
LR
lr paramaram random, or what is the function? Anyone guess? Ashwani?
Sir,
What
LR
is the
Paramaram Rand. I didn't get sir. PARAM ARR. Paramaram random. That's it.
param
RARR underscore
random.
random.
So
Yes.
if you write function only, it will come to the red line. If it is writing wrong, means it will come as a black line. Then we know the, okay, we wrong written the wrong the function. So after that I am doing for the like
Argument.
argument. What is that I given for the departure?
Correlation function name.
This is the our
Correlation.
departure.
Correlation.
What is that drop down I need to capture randomly? I am giving this one. After that comma, and we need to
This
give
value.
for the one variable, we need to give for the variable. So like I am giving for the rand SOR. For this also we need to give for the in double colon, and I need to save this value, where in this value it will save to the rand SOR. I am creating the one variable. So after that what we can do, we need to close this and semicolon. So this is the one drop down, and when we need to write one more drop down, means what we can do, we can write same thing. Okay, lr save string lr parama random, but this time what is the second drop down? Arrive. I am giving for the arrive, and we need to give for the rand dest. I am giving for the dest. This is the rand dest. So now we need to write for the same values here also. If strcmp, why we can use strcmp means string comparison. We need to compare two strings. We need to write for the string comparison, strcmp. LR eval string, which value we are need to read. Already this is a departure value. We are saving to the in our variable as a ranSOR. That is why we are taking as a ranSOR. So we need to read this value as a ranSOR. Means in this value it is storing to the this value. Is right? So as same to for array value, it is saving to the randest, LR save string, LR eval string, and we need writing for the randest and equal to 0. For this condition, what will happen? Ascend are same, cannot book the ticket. Ascenders are not same, can book the ticket. This is the condition. Now we'll see the output, and if anything passing failed, yes. I think one more bracket we need, right?
To depart, sir. Depart.
So, see, now it is clear because see here is a 1 to 1 close and here is a one more is there. We need to close one more. Okay. So now we can compile. This is the runtime steps are this is will be compile means we can check for the if is any errors will be there, not there. The script will failed. So we need to check for the invalid arguments. Again, it is showing invalid arguments.
వేరియబుల్స్ డిక్లేర్ చేసావా
I
సార్
think we rand source and randest. A long file will be there, but we are not declared variable. So we need to declare variable means those are character, right? We need to write a char, and what is the variable name? Rand SOR is a 1, and we need to assign for the some data and semicolon. And one more variable will be there. What is that variable? Randest.
The brace is wrong, which not given, sir.
దేనికి
100.
ఒకటి ఫ్లవర్ బ్రాకెట్ ఒకటి
రెండు వేరు వేరు ఇచ్చినారు.
Yeah. Now we'll again compile. See, but local file we are given, right? In the folder, what is the name? Kiran, right? This is the Kiran. It is generating. Again, nothing is written. Again, we got errors. What is the errors? I think I'm not given that ordinal
Sir,
code all is
answer
not passed.
Yeah, replace the ranSOR place with the departure and depart, sir.
Depart. Okay. Here also wrong will be there.
Yes, ranSOR place. Will replace it.
Depart only will be there, right? Depart only, but we need to give for the ordinal all also for here. We need to give for the ordinal all. Ordinal is equal to all. So it means we can assign the ordinal call, then only it will come to the values. Like once open the all the values, then it will pick for the which value you want, it will pick that values. So fine, right? And script falsing on false on it. Say script will be false. So now we can observe for the how the value is picked. See, total count will be 20, departure will be there, 20 array values will be there. And after that, when we are capturing for the randomly, so that is why, see, it is stored in rand SOR. We are given the parameter name is rand SOR Portland, and rand dest is a Franklin, and so S and E are not same. Book the ticket. That is why it is a book the ticket. If it is a maybe both will be same, then what your message we can get S and E are same, cannot book the ticket, it will come. So this is the condition we need to write for the, if it is we need to capture randomly. Okay, got it right? So going to here,
I think in file place we have to give user session name, sir.
where
printf pakkana file. No, sir. Here. printf.
F printf,
Yeah. Yes, sir.
user section value.
Users.
No.
Yes, sir. ఒకసారి ఇచ్చి చెక్ చేయండి సార్ తెలుస్తుంది కదా ఒకసారి నేను స్క్రిప్ట్ ఓపెన్ చేస్తాను.
No. See, actually for here what will happen, file is equal to f open, this everything will be saving to the file. That is why we are giving as a file, as same to we are assigning as a long file above. Right, after that we are printing for the f printf, which value we need to print. Already this value, entire value, it is saved in file, so means it will be go to the in particular folder, means it is a fetching for the Kiran is a file, so in that file, and this is the percentage s, means that will be in character or integer, so we need to give that one, and slash n means next line, and after that lr evolve string. Now we'll see. Need to remove this too, and we'll observe. Deleting this file and so we need to do for the integers to string also, we need to do it, and how we can do means we need to write for the init. First I am assigning the variable some init is equal to x is equal to 0, and after that I'm giving for the character, assigning to the character same like this. Character means we need to assign like this. So for this character I'm assigning char and some abc. Okay, I assign for this, and after that we need to write for the integer to string. So which one we are writing? Integer to string. We are converting integer to integer to string. So for we are connecting for the integers to string, means for we need to write for the function like we are need to converting for the integer to write, we need to write for the I to a, nothing but integer to string, we need to write for the A to I will be there, I to I will be there. So we need to convert to the right now is the converting the into string. We need to convert to the into string. That is why I'm writing for the integers to string. And after that, we need to write for the condition. So what is the condition means? Just which value we need to convert means what is the our value will be, we are assigning as a x is an integer and abc is the character. And for that we need to giving for the some data, that is why we are giving some data like 10, and after that bracket close, and after that we need to for this converting the integer to string. That is why we are writing for here, just for your understanding purpose, what we are doing, converting integer to string. That is why we are writing this condition, integer to string. And after that what we can do, we need to assign to the load runner variable. How do we assign the load runner variable, anyone know? We are writing for the lr save string,
LR underscore save.
lr underscore save underscore
Save string.
save string, and after that we need to assign for the our value to the load runner variable. First, what is our variable right now? It is saving to the x value, the abc is the integer value, okay, comma, and after that what we are writing, we are need to assign for the one lr variable. So in this abc value I need to save into the final. I am giving for the one variable is a final, and I am closing for this. So if we, what we are doing, we are assigning value to the lr variable. Okay, so just your understanding type view, I am writing for the assigning value to which variable, lr variable, lr variable. So after that we are already assigned for the lr variable, means for that abc value we are saving to the final is our load runner variable. So after that we need to, what we can do, we need to write for the output message in output window. So we need to write for the output message, means what we can write, lr output underscore message
Underscore. LR underscore, sir.
underscore message underscore message. Then we need to write for the message condition. First thing will be, it will be string, integer, whatever maybe, we need to write for the some condition like percentage s, we are giving for the percentage s, and after that a double colon close and comma, okay, and after that we need to read the value. Which value we need to read? What is our load runner variable?
Integer.
Final.
Final. So for that we need to read the, means which function we need to write,
Eval string.
eval string, okay, and for that our condition will be, how it will be there, so like this only it will be there, our condition, okay. So here we need to write for the final, because of which value we need to read, so this is final though, so that's why we are written. So something is wrong.
Final పక్కన కోడ్స్ క్లోజ్ చేయలేదు సార్.
Final, okay, I think yeah,
And
now yeah, now everything fine, script passing succeeded. Okay, now we'll see, first will be need to compare. You are writing for the C, this C techniques, means you need to first compile, then you know for the, if it is any error, compilation error will be not there, it will show errors. But in our right correlation or parameterization error will be not displayed here if you miss anything. But you're doing for any C techniques you are writing, so you need to compile first thing, and after that you can execute. Now we can observe. Notify saving parameter will be final, means x value will be, it is saving to the where integer value. What is the integer value? First will be ABC, right? For our condition, see, you can see our condition here. C into a x. X is equal to what is the value? 0. That value it is saving to the ABC. That is why here it is going to the integers to converting integers to string, and it is going to the 0 is a integer value, it is going to the 0. For after that, this value is converting to the which value we are converted? Load runner variable. That is the final. And after that, we are reading for the LR reverse string final. Then final value what will come? 0 it will come. Got it, right? So like this we need to write for the integer condition I to A to I means string to integer. So these functions is enough. These are only for interview point of only. So okay, just for these three only you can learn. No need for remaining also. Okay, we have the many things will be there. Load runner, copy variable, these things will be there. But these three things only. File operation. Okay, and one more is LR paramara random. This is for the generate random value point of. One more is you want to learn these two, I to A and A to I. Okay, fine, right? So I will show the once again for this blacks concept for your understanding purpose. I think yesterday we recorded, right, one script. So tomorrow morning we'll start controller. Okay, scripting is completed. Yesterday thing, yeah, 5 flight booking and cancel. I think this one yesterday we done.
Sir, black key transactions ki difference in sir.
Blacks nothing but that is the action, entire action. See, flight booking will be entire action. Means that is one of the business flow. For transaction means it will be each and every transaction, like login is the one transaction. After that, flight booking, entire flight booking is not one transaction, right? In that we have the payment will be there, select flight will be there, okay, find flight will be there. So each and every page is different transactions we need to give. But the one action we are getting means that is will be entire business flow. That is a flight booking is one business flow, and cancel is the one business flow, and logout also is a one of the. So we need to create as a blacks or actions means we need to use for the like this. We need to create new actions and we need to give for the flight booking. And this is the itinerary cancel. If you want change means you can change it also. It will the rename action, and I'm giving for the cancel. Okay. So each see business flow I'm giving for the action, but transaction, what is the transaction? To measure the particular action, particular transaction means we everyone able to see? So yesterday we done right file operation. Anyone done? Hello.
Yes, sir.
File operation is done.
చేశాను సార్.
Okay. వచ్చిందా?
వచ్చింది సార్.
సో ఏం లేదు, మనం రియల్ గా ఎవ్రీ టైమ్ వీఆర్ డూయింగ్ ఫర్ ద కోరిలేషన్, రైట్? సేమ్ థింగ్ వీ కెన్ డన్. ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ we need to write for the, this is the condition, file operation condition. Just we need to write for the file, f is equal to open, and where we need to saving, you can give for that one, and this is for the name of the folder. So like Kiran or whatever maybe you can give, and dot text, and after that a plus. Okay. And see, after that we need to print that value. This file is, everything is saving to the in this file, so we need to print this file though. So that's why we are writing for the printf file. Percentage, why we are writing means is the characters, or this means we need to give for the percentages. Slash n means is the next line. If it is a second iteration means that value it will come in the next line, so that is why we are writing for the slash n. And lr eval string means we need to read the value, then we are using for the lr eval string. F close means finally we need to close the file, that is why we are using for the f close. Okay. And same to, we are done, right? Departure and arrive also. So we are done departure and arrive, and we need to give for the ordinal is equal to all, and ordinal is equal to all, because we need to true drop downs. What are the drop downs we have, what are the values in the drop down, we need to display first. After that we need to select for the randomly. So that is why we are giving for the ordinal is equal to all. Then we need to write for the condition. So everyone able to see lr save string, and lr parameter random departure and random departure, and lr save string array and random param, and if strcmp random department lr eval string random array and equal to 0. For this condition, what will happen means, see, if is a source destination cannot say book the ticket, cannot they book the ticket, we are telling means if it is London cannot book the ticket. If it is London Paris London Los Angeles or Paris Los Angeles, for anything you can book the ticket, it will come to the else part and it will book the ticket. Okay, so this is the condition. So we'll see the output, how it is value speaking.